This video is brought to you by Bridge Gap. Daily case studies, practice questions, and more, to help you switch to digital career profiles. And now, here is the case study of the day.
These are the top ways in which you can monetize your blog, right? So let's start with the most common one. Affiliate, right? So there are the two main platforms for becoming an affiliate. One is Google AdSense, right, and the other one, this is the heavyweight, right? So this is Amazon. This is the Amazon affiliate program called Amazon Associates. In both these cases, it's very simple to sign up. You need to go to this platform, sign up, do your site, your blog or your site, which you plan to monetize, that needs to get approved, and then the ads of Amazon or Google AdSense will start showing up, and when people start clicking on them, you start making money. So this is the main way in which people make money, but this is not. There are other ways also. The issue with with the Google AdSense or Amazon is that you need to have a really high number of page views to even start earning anything significant, right? So what are the other ways which you can by which you can monetize? The second way is just starting an online course. Right. So it could be your course. Or you could partner with someone who is delivering the course. A good example is this site. This is tarladalal.com, perhaps India's oldest and the most well-known brand when it comes to cooking. Right, vegetarian cooking. Now, the thing about this is that yes, this is a blog and it is a very well read, very widely followed blog, but this business also has a cooking class schedule, and which in the pandemic is happening completely online. So this is the second way. If you have a blog, you can start an online course, you can partner with someone, or you can do it yourself, and that's really the another way in which you can monetize your blog. The third way is to actually start developing a mailing list, right? Because what happens is, as the mailing list increases, you can actually start promoting your own products or someone else's products, right? So this is it's a very important addition to the monetization effort. So as you can see, there is a free weekly food mailer which is here, and that is going to definitely help in monetization. The next way is that you can simply generate leads, right, for your business or for any other business that you have that you could have a strategic partnership with. So for example, I'm on the Uber Suggest site. Now this is actually this is a keyword research tool primarily, but used by people in digital marketing. And but if you click on consulting services, it goes to a page which is on which you can book a call. It's run by Neil Patel, a very famous digital marketer. So this is a way by which he's monetizing the traffic on this website by having a tab for consulting services, and this generates a lot of leads for him. Now, whether you could look at generating again leads for your own business or some other business, it does not matter. The important thing is that if you look at the first the method which we spoke about, the Amazon Associates or the AdSense one, there I remember I said that you require a large chunk of traffic before you start generating any decent income. The advantage of using the lead generation approach is that depending on the service, you can charge a pretty high sum for every lead. And so as long as you have relevant traffic coming and some leads being generated, it's going to result in some income every month, right? So the waiting period or the gestation period is less as compared to for generating income. Like some income is less as compared to Google AdSense or Amazon affiliate. And the last tip is that to diversify your monetization efforts in today's world. Monetization using the blog is an old tactic. It's relevant today, but there are other ways in which you can monetize a following that you have in your blog. So you could take the same kind of content and repurpose it into the video format and have a YouTube channel or be present on Facebook. Both YouTube and Facebook have very strong monetization programs. You can run ads on these platforms and generate income. So yes, you can make use of your following on those platforms. So those are the main ways in which you can monetize your blog. In today's case study, what you have to do, you will see is you see a website given on this page. What you have to do is suggest the based on this video, suggest what are the 3 or 4 main ways in which you think you can monetize or improve the monetization which is happening on this blog. Thank you.